Good morning and happy Friday. So, all this week we learned about what triggers strong emotions. So, now it's time to put on your entertainment reporter hat again. Another song has been released. It's called Calm Down. We'll listen to it next week. Look at the lyrics and answer the questions below. Now, I'm going to read the lyrics out loud to you so that you can answer the following questions. Instead of those wild, knee-jerk reactions, you gotta catch your own attention. Emotions come calling instead of just falling to brawling, name-calling, or whining and bawling. Stop, name your feeling, calm down. Stop, name your feeling, calm down. Stop, give yourself a signal like stop, chill, hold up, hang on. You send a signal to yourself, then stop. Okay, now name the feeling. Are you angry, embarrassed, worried, scared? Figure it out and name it. Just name that feeling. It's the thing that slows you down and makes you think, and then you start to calm right down by breathing, using self-talk, or counting. So now that you've listened to the lyrics, answer these two questions. What is the first thing you should do when you need to calm down? Number 2, what does the song say naming the feeling does to help you calm down?